Hello student, good morning and welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel. So in this video I will solve exercise 15.1 starting from the question number 1. The first question is calculate the volume occupied with following dimensions. Give the answer in the unit mentioned against each. The first part is the measurement. Length is given 12 cm, breadth given 9 cm, h equal to 8 cm, and we have to find volume occupied in centimeter cube. So dear children, we have discussed all the formula related to the cuboid and cube, that is volume, total surface area, lateral surface area, in previous lecture video. Okay, so we know the volume formula. Okay, volume occupied. Okay, we know the formula of the volume occupied. This is L into D into H. Okay, L into D into H. So L is 12 centimeter into D is 9 centimeter into H is 8 centimeter. 12 centimeter into product of 9 into 8, 9 at 72, 72 centimeter square. Now multiply 12 centimeter by 7 centimeter. Okay, so we will get product of 12 into 7, 864 centimeter cube. Okay, product of 12 into 7 is 864 centimeter cube. Okay, so therefore the volume of the cuboid whose length is 12 and breadth is 9 centimeter and h height is 8 centimeter is equal to 864 centimeter cube. Okay children, further move to the second part of question number first. Length is given 1 meter 50 centimeter, breadth is 1.2 meter and height is 0.9 meter. Okay, and find volume in centimeter cube. So this means first we need to change given dimension in centimeter. Okay, after that find its volume. Second part, so length is given 1 meter. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. So this is 100 plus 50 is 150 centimeter. Breadth is 1.2 meter. So 1.2 multiplied by 100 equal to 120 centimeter. And height is given 0.9 multiplied by 100. This will be changed in centimeter equal to 90. Okay, centimeter. Okay, then volume occupied equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So length is 150 centimeter into breadth is 120 centimeter into height is 90 centimeter. Okay, so this is 150 centimeter into now multiply 120 by 90. This is 108. 150 by 108.00 centimeter square. So we will get 1620. 1 2 3 0. Okay, 1620 centimeter cube. Okay. Okay, so this is the volume of cuboid whose length is 1 meter 50 centimeter, breadth is 1.5 meter, and height is 0.9 meter. Further move to the third part. Length is given 8 decimeter, breadth is 6 decimeter, height is 0.5 decimeter, and find the volume in liter. Okay, so volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. So therefore length is 8 decimeter into breadth is 6 decimeter and height is 0.5 decimeter. 6 8 48 decimeter square into 0.5 decimeter. Again multiply 48 by 0.5. So 8 5 the 14. Carry 24. Okay. And this is 0.0 decimeter cube. Okay, equal to 24 decimeter cube. Okay, so as we know 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. So therefore in 24 decimeter cube equal to, so we need to multiply 10 centimeter cube equal to 24 into, this is 2400 centimeter cube. Okay, the volume of the cuboid is 24,000 centimeter cube volume. And also we know 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube volume. Okay, in 1000 centimeter cube volume equal to 1000 centimeter cube volume equal to 1 liter. So therefore in 24,000 centimeter cube volume equal to 24 liter. Okay. Okay, so we have asked point volume in liter. So volume of the cuboid in liter is 24 liter. So this is the answer of third part. Okay. Okay, and the fourth part of question number 1. Length is given 0.8 decimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter, height is 80 millimeter, and we have to find its volume in centimeter cube. So this means first we need to change all unit in centimeter. Length is not given in centimeters, so first we need to change in centimeter. So this is 0.8, and we know 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters. So this is multiplied by 10 centimeter equal to 8 centimeter. Breadth already given. This is already given in centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter, and height is not given in centimeter. 1/10 centimeter equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, so we need to multiply by 1/10 centimeter equal to 8 centimeter. Height equal to 8 centimeter. Then volume of the tube equal to length into breadth into height. So therefore length is 8 centimeter, breadth is also 8 centimeter, and height is also 8 centimeter. Okay, so this is 8 64 centimeter square into 8 centimeter. 8 into 8 is 512 centimeter cube. Okay. So volume of the tube which length is 0.8 decimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter, and height is 80 millimeter is 512 centimeter cube. Okay. Okay, student. Further move to the question number 2. We have to find the volume of a cube whose side is given. The first part is 2.5 meter, second is 50 centimeter, and third is 20 decimeter. So we know the formula to finding the volume of cube. This is h power 3. Okay, volume of cube is calculated by h or side. Okay, side power 3. So therefore the first part is side is given 2.5 meter means h. So volume equal to 2.5 meter power 3. So this is can be written as 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter. Now taking product of 2.5, 2.5, so we will get its product is equal to 15625 123. Okay, meter cube. The volume of the cube whose side is 2.5 meter is 15.625 meter cube. And second part, the side is given 50 centimeter. So therefore the volume of cube equal to, this is product of 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter with 50. This is 12500 centimeter cube. The volume is 1.500 centimeter cube whose side is 50 centimeter. The third part whose side is given 20 decimeter. So therefore the volume of cube would be equal to 20 decimeter 8,000 decimeter cube. Okay, 800 decimeter cube volume of the cube. So dear children, this is the required answer of the first and second, third. Okay, first, second, third part of the question number second. Okay. Okay children, now move to the question number 3. In this question we have to given an iron block each of volume 105 centimeter cube. If its length and breadth are 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively, then we need to find the height of the block. Okay, so children, basically in this question we have given a iron block having length is 7 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, and its volume is 105 centimeter cube. Then we need to find the height of the block. Okay, so let the height of the iron block equal to X. Okay, L is given. Let the height of the iron block be X meter. Then length is given 7 centimeter. Breadth equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find height of the iron block. So here go the volume of iron block equal to, this is given 105 centimeter cube. Okay, so the volume of the iron block is, this is L into E into H. Okay, equal to 105 centimeter cube. L is given 7 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, and height just we need to find, which is equal to 105 centimeter cube. So now simplify, this is height is the 5 and 7 is the 21. Okay, so height equal to centimeter cancel out, 3 centimeter. Okay, so dear children, the height of the iron block is 3 centimeter volume given 105 centimeter and length 7 and breadth 5 centimeter. Okay, so children, this is the required answer of question number 3. Okay, height equal to 3 centimeter of the iron block.